To remove app screen, so all your apps will be shown on home screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find home screen. Tap home screen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu by long tapping on an empty area on your home screen. To go to the home screen edit screen and then select setting. Next, tap home screen layout. By default, your phone uses home and app screen as the home screen layout, where the widget and your favorite apps are shown in the home screen and all your apps are shown in the app screen. Next, to remove app screen, select home screen only. Now, tap apply button to apply your selection on your phone. As you swipe the home screen to the left, you can see that now all your apps will be shown on the home screen. With this layout, you still can add widget as you used to be. Given to the function, you can choose the setting if you prefer to display your installed apps and games across several home screen pages. However, when you choose this layout, swiping up the home screen like this will open the Finder search. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.